Welcome to the Chris Review. Today I'm taking a look at this Bedsure electric heated blanket. Now this is going to be pretty big at 72 by 84 inches, so it's going to fit my mattress perfectly. And here's the blanket itself, and this thing has some pretty good weight to it. It's going to feel very fluffy, and we got gray on the top side and this white kind of soft flannel-like material on the inside. Now at the edge here, there's going to be the connector. This is where we're going to connect it to the plug, which will be right here, so it connects just like so. And this doesn't come off easily, and that's because it does have these two clips, so they have to be pushed inside like so, and then this can be pulled out just like that. And now on the other end of this is going to be the remote control, and also to plug it into the wall. And here's what the control looks like. We're going to have two buttons. One's going to be a timer, the power button, and plus and minus. And turning on the control, here's what it looks like. So it's currently going to be set to heat setting level 1, and this goes all the way up to 6. And then pressing here is going to go to the timer, so it automatically goes to 8 hours, but we can go up to 10 hours, and then as low as 1 hour. So I set this up to heating level number 6, so I want to give it a few minutes to see how hot this gets. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, so this blanket had time to heat up. And what I'm noticing is the majority of the heat is going to be focused more in the center part, which makes sense because the coils are actually going to be more in the center. So if you see these little rivets, that's where it's going to be, versus if you look at the perimeter, we're going to have this much space where there's going to be no heat at all. And that makes sense because when I point the thermometer to it, you can see it's 75.7 degrees Fahrenheit. And then when I go a little bit lower where these coils are, we got 82.2 degrees. And then if I go a little bit more lower, 84.9 degrees. And then somewhere in the center, I think this is where it's going to be even warmer, 85.2. And let me go right here. 91.9 degrees. And now when I put it over my body itself and just wrap it around, so as I move my hand around it, I do feel a little bit of the coil, but that's if, I'm looking for it. If I just have it over my body like this, I have a shirt on, and then the blanket on my back, it feels nice and warm, and I can't notice any of those coils around me. But yeah, overall, this feels very soft, so it's going to be nice to sleep with this during the winter, and heats up pretty well. So this is going to be a nice, cozy sleeping time at nighttime. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Bedsure heated blanket.